Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome my fellow June bugs. Hope you guys are well. How have you been? I have missed you guys so much, and I'm so glad to be back. Thank you so much for your patience waiting for me to come back on YouTube. As I mentioned in my last video, I wanted to take that time off to sort of just be with my family during the Christmas season, but also during that time I had been so busy and I've actually moved. So I will give you guys a life update at some point. I'm not 100% sure whether I should do a blog post or make a video, so you guys should let me know one way or the other. But yeah, I am back and I'm so happy to be back. So to kickstart my first video being back in the new year for 2019, I wanted to do a luxury haul slash unboxing for you guys. You guys know I love shopping, I love luxury, so yeah, if you like those sort of things, do stay tuned and keep watching. And if you're new here, hi, my name is June, welcome to my channel. I focus a lot on luxury, fashion, I do the odd vlog and makeup. If that is your cup of tea, make sure you subscribe and you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So today I am actually doing a video in collaboration with Forzieri, who have sent me a gorgeous bag to unbox. So I have got this little beauty right here. If you've never heard of Forzieri before, they're basically like a luxury online retailer similar to like Matches Fashion, Farfetch, that sort of thing, that carry a lot of luxury designer brands: Balenciaga, Saint Laurent, Fendi, Gucci. They also have quite a few contemporary brands as well, like Michael Kors, Philip Lim, Verla. So if you haven't heard of them, I would urge you to go and check them out. They're actually having an amazing sale right now, and there is this Olympia Le Tang clutch bag that I am dying for. It is the cutest little clutch and it is going for 1/3 of the original retail price right now. I'll put a link to it in the info bar. Just love it. And also for those who have been on the hunt for my JW Anderson like sphere earrings, they're actually on Forzieri website on sale for 50% off also, so I'll put a link to that in the info bar. I even saw that the Chloe test bag, which is super duper popular right now, is like on sale there in the black, which is just like a really beautiful like neutral color. So they do have some really good stuff. And also this Gucci sunglasses, but they only have it in the black and I actually want it in the white, which is why I haven't jumped the gun on that just yet. But anyways, check them out. But today they have sent me a bag to unbox with you guys, and this is actually from their own collection. So Forzieri has their own brand, which is called Le Parmentier Paris or Le Parmentier Paris. Not 100% sure how to pronounce it, so we will just skip along and stop butchering the name. But this is the box that it came in, very Balenciaga-esque as you can see, but a beautiful plain white box, which is, you know, Marie Kondo style. You need to keep these boxes because they are very helpful in tidying up. Comes with a thank you card. So here it is. Comes in this Le Parmentier Paris dust bag. So they actually gave me a couple of color choices to choose from, and I picked this particular colorway because I sort of want to incorporate more of it into my lifestyle. I don't own anything in this like colorway, so that is why I picked it. There was another gorgeous like burgundy shade which I was thinking about getting, but I always get burgundy, always gravitate towards that, and I have 1,000,001 bags in like that same color family. So I decided to get out of my comfort zone and I did go ahead with this color. But let me introduce to you guys the latest handbag in my collection, and it is the so this, you guys, is the Ondina mini satchel bag. Isn't it the cutest little thing ever? Comes with like a button plaque right there as the opening. It does have like a handle similar to the Pochette Matisse, and it is like a very simple classic silhouette. This is the jewel tone version. They do come in like just solid colors, like a black and a nude and cognac as well, which is stunning, honestly. I've got it with the caramel cognac brown with like the khaki olive color underneath there. On the sides it is suede, which is like a little bit different, and then you can just open it up with this button on the bottom. Comes completely stuffed, And then inside, it's actually pretty plain, just like black leather lining with a single pocket, and it comes with a shoulder bag. So this is basically what it looks like. It is the cutest little size. I don't think, so you can't actually detach the shoulder strap itself, but what I have actually seen people do is actually create like a knot just on the end there, however long you want it. And because of the knot, that will stop it from pulling, which means that you can shorten the strap if you want. So you can actually create this into a little shoulder bag if you would like, if you don't want it to be crossbody. And then it ends up being this like cute little shoulder bag, which is so adorable. So yeah, this is the Le Parmentier Ondina bag. It's so cute, you guys. The size of this is actually so perfect, and it's a very minimalist like design, which is very beautiful. And it also comes in a smaller size called the mini if you don't want this particular size. But I think this is really cute with the top handle. Like, how adorable is that? It's like a little mini satchel. So cute. I think this would be so classic in the black or the brown if you don't want the dual tone. But yeah, adorable, love it, and it looks really quite well made. And I do think that the price points of this is quite reasonable, and fortunately Forzieri actually gave me a 15% discount code off of the Le Parmentier Paris range. So if you guys are interested in a bag like this or anything from their collection, please go check out the links in the info bar and the code to get 15% off. So yeah, that is the first bag. Sticking to the sort of green colorway, the next item that I wanted to share with you guys is something that I featured in my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, you probably are already aware of what I'm about to share with you. So it comes in this very classic matches fashion box. Let's open it up here. So it comes in this box that says Balenciaga. So this particular pair of shoes, I actually have a very similar style that I've purchased already that I featured in another video, but this one I actually stumbled upon. They had like a final sale go onto their website where they had an additional 20% off their sale items, and so when I found this in my size, I basically jumped on it and I had to have it. So let me share with you guys my latest Balenciaga pair of shoes. They are the gorgeous Knife Mules. How stunning are these? Isn't the color just to die for? So beautiful. They are in like the most gorgeous, oh, it's matching my earrings, but they are the most gorgeous like emerald green color, and it's very emerald green. I got it in a size 36, which I thought would fit me, and it does, but it's probably a little bit snug. The other pair of shoes that I bought, they're also Knife Mules, but sort of just a little bit shorter. I also got them in a 36, but for some reason these feel a bit smaller, so I'm not sure why that is. But if you are contemplating purchasing these, maybe size up, like half a size. But either way, because it's an open back shoe, it doesn't really matter. In terms of, you know, comfort wear, I did get the mid heel, so it's not sort of the kitten heel that you would have seen quite a few bloggers have, because unfortunately the kitten heel wasn't on sale. This was all they had. This actually isn't super duper high, it's just like your average height, and a lot of the times this is sort of the height that I typically gravitate towards for day to day because I'm quite petite. However, like my everyday pair of heels are sort of more of a block heel, so they are a little bit more comfortable. Because these are stilettos, it is a little bit more difficult to walk in, but it's still feasible in my opinion. But I probably wouldn't wear this like day to day, probably just save it for a special occasion. I think if you had a neutral outfit with a pop of this like beautiful emerald green on the bottom, it would be so stunning. So I'm so excited to wear these around. They're just like a very gorgeous statement pair of heels, and if you don't have a statement pair of heels, I urge you to check it out. And if you're also in the market for like the perfect pointed mules or pointed shoes in general, Balenciaga is where you need to go. The point is perfection. Like, it is so nice you guys. So beautiful. The next item that I wanted to share with you guys, it comes in this little bag right here. So this item I've been wanting for the longest time. I've undenied about it for ages, and it took me forever to sort of finally decide on purchasing it. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know what this is, and you know, you can probably guess what it is anyways from the box, but obviously it is a belt. I actually just purchased this literally 2 days ago, and I am so disappointed in what's happened because basically I bought it 2 days ago and already it has a huge scratch on it. So anyways, let me just show you what it is. It is the Louis Vuitton initials belt. So this is what it looks like. It's got the LV logo just at the front in like gold. I don't know if you can tell, but I have put serious dents on this bag, like deep scratches, and I literally wore it once and I just don't even know how that happened. I think I was trying something on in Zara and I took my pants off and I think the belt rubbed against the floor. I have no clue. I was just like, great, oh my god, that was so not worth it. But yeah, I'm so cut up about it. I'm still a little bit salty, but you know, it is what it is. It's just annoying because it took me so long to finally decide to purchase this, because I always thought, oh, it's a little bit expensive, and then I just like go ahead and scratch it the next day. Like, I mean, real talk right now, you guys, that is probably the reason why I would have preferred not to buy this brand new. If I had found this like secondhand and it was in a bit more worn condition, and I paid, you know, quite a lot less, I wouldn't be so cut up about like putting a bit more wear and tear on it, because you know, what's a few more scratches since it's already like worn in. But because I got it brand new and I scratched it in like a day and they're like major scratches, it's just like so infuriating knowing all that money that you just spent on it is sort of like it's gone down the toilet a little bit, because it's just like really ugly to see. But yeah, anyways, I'm not going to be petty about it. It is what it is. Like, it's going to happen eventually. It's just annoying that it happened like within 24 hours of purchasing the belt. And it's like, there's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can complain to Louis Vuitton about because it was self-inflicted, right? Anyway, so those are all the items that are pretty much brand new. But I wanted to also share 2 reveals with you guys today. And they are basically inspired by 2 of my favorite YouTubers. The first one is actually Mel Salgera. You guys know I love her handbag collection. She always inspires me to buy the best vintage bags, and in particular I have been obsessed with her Fendi handbag collection, and I stumbled upon this and I just knew immediately that I had to have it. It is a Fendi Baguette, and this one is like in a Fendi Baguette with like the ruthenium type hardware. So I got it from eBay from a private seller, and I feel like I paid quite a bit for this though. I paid about 450 Australian dollars, which is no small amount considering it's a vintage bag. Like, yes, if it was an actual brand new handbag from Fendi, like a brand new pouch, I wouldn't mind so much, but because it's like vintage, like more than 15 years old, you always feel like you've overspent. But you know, these Fendi bags are going for a lot more nowadays, so I think it's still pretty reasonable. It is in really good condition, and actually came with a Fendi dust bag. I don't have it on me at the moment, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Interior is pretty plain, lined with a grey satin lining. It's got the Fendi logo just there, and then it's got the serial code just there in the inside lining. I got this because I thought it would be a really cute nighttime clutch. You can actually take off the handle and then hide the buckles, and then you can use it as like just a cute little statement for clutch. And I'm not 100% sure if it's real fur or faux fur. I'm not sure, but I don't feel so bad about real fur considering it's like a second-hand piece. Don't call Peter on me, but yeah, that's what it looks like, and I think just like as a cute little statement piece would be adorable. So that is that one. If I find any similar versions of this bag, I will put them in the info bar below. But yeah, I love Mel's Fendi Baguette collection, especially her Python piece, to die for. And then finally, you guys, the last piece that I wanted to share with you, but certainly not the least, is actually gorgeous little vintage Chanel bag. So this one is actually inspired by Alex from HRH Collection. I also think she has one of the most unique handbag collections. I love that she just buys whatever. She has like such a different style, and she doesn't just buy classic pieces. She really buys whatever she likes and enjoys. I like people who are a little bit adventurous in their sort of handbag collection. This particular bag that I got was completely inspired by one of her latest handbag purchases, and that is this beautiful Chanel satin flat bag. She recently purchased a satin bag from, I think it's from the 2018 spring summer collection. I'm not 100% sure, but it's like this beautiful pink satin seasonal flap. This one is a very similar version, but obviously not from the same year. This actually is from I think early to late 2000s. This is a satin flat in a beautiful champagne peachy gold color, and it actually has the wild stitching design, which is a little bit different. It's not just like the normal stitching, it's got a little bit of a pattern. And then what's different about this one is the chain is actually intertwined with rope. And I just think it looks really cool. I just really like the satin look of this, and I don't know, for some reason I was really intrigued by her bag. I loved that it was just kind of it's like an evening bag that she was wearing during the day, and it was just a beautiful like juxtaposition, and it was just so different. And you know, everyone's wearing like a caviar bag or a lambskin bag, and I just wanted something with like a different texture, different overall look, and this just fit the bill perfectly. So opening it up, it is a seasonal flap, which does mean it's just one flap right there, and it's got a really nice big compartment there. This is a 13 series bag, which I think is around 2008, but it is actually in such great condition. I also purchased this from eBay, but I purchased it from a Japanese consignment seller. It's from Branded Auction, which you guys know I've purchased from several times before. I'll put a link to their eBay in the info bar below. They've become one of my favorite sellers, even though you know, their pictures aren't the greatest quality. But yeah, like their pricing I think is really good, so you can find some amazing deals from their website. I got this for about 1,500 Australian dollars, which I think is not bad, especially for like the condition that it's in. And I think the reason that it was such a reasonable price is because it didn't come with a dust bag or an authenticity card or a box, so it just came as is. I don't really mind, especially for vintage bags like this. When I wear it, I'm not like bringing the card to provide authenticity. So if the price is right, honestly, like the dust bag and the box and the card, it doesn't really matter to me. So that is it, you guys. That is my haul. I really hope you enjoyed that. I love the stuff that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which is your favorite. Also, let me know if you guys have checked out the Forzieri sale. I've included links to my favorite picks from their sale in the info bar below, so go and check it out. And also use my code if you are interested in purchasing the Undina bag. If you want to see me style any of these, go and check out my Instagram. That is where I post a lot of like outfit pictures and styling pictures, and if there's something here that you want me to do a more in-depth review on, or like how to style, do let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed sharing them with you guys. I actually do have another unboxing video coming up for you guys. It is like a bag, but I wanted to do a separate video for that one in particular because I just got a bit more to talk about. Also, do let me know. I pre-filmed some videos before moving out, but I just haven't had the chance to sort of edit it. So do let me know if you still want me to edit that and upload it for you guys. I just don't want you guys getting a bit confused because my hair is obviously longer in those videos and the background's completely different. But yeah, it might still be worth a view for you guys. But that is it. I'm going to go. I've talked you guys' ear off already. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And again, thank you so much, you guys, for your patience. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. And as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.